In our video about advanced sail trim, next we're going to talk about the mainsail. So we've trimmed up our jib, that looks really happy. Now we come back to our main. Again, we trim the boat front to back. So in trimming up our main, we have telltales that fly on the leech of the main. We would like them all to fly about 50 to 80% of the time. We also want them, when they break, we'd like them to all break together. So we're going to talk a lot about the mainsail twist. And in adjusting the twist, that'll help us adjust from top to bottom all of those telltales that we have on our main. Right now we are set close hauled, and I have our main eased quite a bit. But if we look up at our mainsail, we can see all of the telltales are flying all of the time. And not only are they flying, our luff of our sail has a big bubble in it. So it really shows we have our sail let out so much, it's not producing any lift. There's a saying when we're trimming the sails, when in doubt, let it out. In that case, this is how we're starting. We're starting with the main let further out than we need. All the telltales are flying. We're gonna bring our mainsail in by bringing our windward main sheet in. We're gonna bring that boom to center line, and we're gonna see how it affects our telltales. As I bring this boom to center line, not only are we bringing the boom more to the center of the boat, but it's also bringing the boom down. What that's doing is changing the shape of the main so there's less twist. And now, our top telltales are not flying all of the time. I've brought the boom in, the mainsail is down tight, and there's no to little twist in the main. So our top tails are not flying, but our mid to bottom ones are still flying all the time. What that tells me is we have great trim down low, but not up high. And the reason for that is the wind speed is higher at the top of the mast, and thus the angle of attack or the angle of the wind relative to the sail is actually different. So we need to sail with a little more twist in our mainsail. So what I'm gonna do to add twist is I'm gonna ease my red sheet or my leeward sheet, and I wanna bring the boom up, and that will add twist, and hopefully we'll get our top telltales flying once more. So here I'm gonna ease some of my leeward sheet, and to bring the boom straight up, I'm gonna also ease some of my windward sheet. There we are. Let's look at the top of our main and see how the telltales look. There we go. We've moved the boom up, and now we can see the top telltales are flying along with the middle to the bottom telltales. Here we have our telltales all flying and breaking together. What that means is we're utilizing all of our sail to its maximum potential.